This is our world. This is our world.
Hello, my smart students of class 4th. I hope you all must be doing well in this pandemic period. This is a revision time and we will do all possible questions to be asked in the unit test. First, let us go through the lesson once again. Page number 24, Unit 6, Indian Social Values. We must consider ourselves lucky to be born in a great nation like India. We are in fact privileged to be brought up in a society which upholds great values and principles. When we live in the society, we also have the responsibility to protect and promote these social values. ठीक है? Democracy. India is the largest democratic country in the world. The word democracy shows we are ruled by our own representatives. The uniqueness of democracy is equality. Every citizen has equal powers and responsibilities. Secularism. India is a secular nation. It means that all the religions have equal status. Like many other countries, we do not have a national religion. In addition to that, every Indian has absolute freedom to accept and practice any religion. Diversity, unity in diversity, is the central principle of Indian society. People belonging to different religions, races, communities, regions, and languages live together peacefully. It is the beauty of Indian society. The beauty of Indian society lies in the diversity of its people. Tolerance. Tolerance is the open-mindedness to accept others, even when they are different. India has a great tradition of accepting goodness from wherever it comes. Respect. There are many people in the society who deserve our respect, and it is part of our tradition too. It is our duty to give due respect to parents, elders, teachers, etc. Strong families. We also give much importance to building strong families. They are based on the caring attitude of the parents and the sharing and helping approach of the children. Cooperation. Indian society also upholds the value of cooperation. When we find another in trouble, we extend our hands for support. Students, let me explain you in a nutshell. Democracy means we are ruled by our own representatives. Every citizen has equal power and responsibilities in our country. Yes, move to the next one. It means that all the religions have equal status. Every Indian has absolute freedom to accept and practice any religion. There are no restrictions on it. Next is people belonging to different religions, races, communities, religion region and languages live together peacefully. We all live as a family. Then come tolerance, which means accepting goodness from wherever it comes. We should be kind to all and welcome everyone nicely. Next is respect. We should give due respect to parents, elders, and teachers. Strong families. We should love and care for all. We should always help others in the family. Last is cooperation. We should extend our hands for support and cooperation in our family and friends. The power of unity. The power of unity. Once upon a time, there lived a flock of doves. One day they were flying in search of food. They flew for a long time, but they could not get anything to satisfy their hunger. Suddenly they found some rice scattered under a tree. So all the doves landed and began to eat the rice. Suddenly a net fell over them and they were all trapped. They saw a hunter approaching with a basket. The doves desperately fluttered their wings trying to get out, but it was of no use. The leader of the group had an idea. He advised all the doves to fly up together, carrying the net with them. Each dove picked up a portion of the net, and together they flew up. The hunter could only look up in astonishment. They flew to the house of a mouse who was also a friend of the leader. The leader requested the help of the mouse. The mouse agreed to help them. He cut the net and one by one all the doves were freed. The doves thanked the mouse for the help. He said, "It is a reward for your unity." Now, students, I will explain the story in a simple language. Once there was a group of doves. Dove is a bird. One day all were flying for food. They were searching food, but they could not find anything to eat. Suddenly they found some rice under a tree and they started to eat the rice. But suddenly a net fell over them as they were eating the rice and all the doves were trapped and caught. They saw a hunter coming towards them with a basket. All the birds started trying to fly, but they could not. Then the leader of the doves thought of a plan. He advised all of them to fly together. So each dove, each bird picked up one part of the net and together they all flew off. The hunter was so surprised. All the doves flew to the house of the mouse, who was also their friend. The leader requested the help. The mouse agreed to help and he cut the net. All the doves were now free. They thanked the mouse for help. He said, "It is a reward for your unity." So, dear children, you all remember that unity is an Indian value. If all of us are united as the doves, we all will be rewarded by God one day. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall. United we stand and divided we fall. My thought: what is the message of the story? Write it in your own words. What is the message of the story? Write it in your own words. The message of the story is we should help each other and live together with unity. The message of the story is we should help each other and live together with unity, full stop. Now, moral: respect Indian social values. Respect, RESPECT, respect Indian, I capital INDIAN, Indian social, SOCIAL, social values, VALUES, values. Children, there is a difference between the message and moral. Activity time. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. A. Why do we judge ourselves lucky and privileged? Why do we judge ourselves lucky and privileged? Answer is, it is because we are born in a great nation. It is because we are born in a great nation. B part. What do you understand by democracy and secularism? Democracy means to be ruled by our own representatives. Democracy means to be ruled by our own representatives. REPRESENTATIVES, representatives, full stop. Secularism means that all religions are equal. Secularism means that all religions are equal. Religion spelling RELIGIONS. C. Explain the term unity in diversity. Explain the term unity in diversity. Answer is, it means that people of different religions and languages live together peacefully. It means that people of different different religion RELIGIONS, religions and languages. LANGUAGES, languages, live together peacefully. PEACE, peace. FULLY, fully, peacefully, full stop. It means that people of different religions and languages live together peacefully. D. What is the responsibility of an Indian citizen? What is the responsibility of an Indian citizen? Answer is, to protect, preserve and promote Indian social values. To protect, preserve and promote Indian social values. Spelling of preserve, 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 and promote, PROMOTE, promote. To protect, preserve, and promote Indian social values. Move to the next page, page number 28. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A. India is the largest dash country. In dash you will write democratic. India is the largest democratic country. Spelling of democratic, DEMOCRATIC. DEMOCRATIC. B. In India, all religions have equal status. In India, all religions have equal status. status, status, full stop. C. Tolerance is the open mindedness to accept others. OPEN, open, MINDED, NESS, mindedness, MINDED, mindedness. Check your answers. Democratic, status, open mindedness. 3. Right, true or false. Right, true or false. A. Unity in diversity is the beauty of India. True. T capital TRUE. True. Unity in diversity is the beauty of India. True. B. India is ruled by a king. False. F capital FALSE. False. India is ruled by a king. False. C. India is a secular nation. True. 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 India is a secular nation. True. 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 Check your answers. First, true. Second, false. Third, true. 4. Case studies. Case studies. Here are 2 reports from a newspaper. They either promote social values or degrade them. Conduct a discussion in the class to find whether they are good for our society or not. Conduct a discussion in the class to find whether they are good for our society or not. First one is clash between students and second is young teacher. First, clash between students. The students of 2 schools have engaged in fights. About 10 students have been injured. The timely interference of teachers prevented further problems. Second is young teachers. Volunteering students from various schools in Mumbai have become teachers. Every Saturday, they go to the slums to teach the poor children. Answer is yes, newspapers are good for our society. Yes, newspapers are good for our society. They promote social values. They promote social values. Yes, newspapers are good for our society. They promote social values. Here we will do few extra questions of this unit. Write the moral of the lesson. Moral of the lesson: respect Indian social values. Respect Indian social values. What is democracy? Democracy means to be ruled by our own representatives. Democracy means to be ruled by our own representatives. Which is the largest democratic country? Largest democratic country. India is the largest democratic country. India is the largest democratic country. Next question. Who agreed to help the doves? The mouse agreed to help them. The mouse agreed to help them. Next question. What do secularism mean? Secularism means that all the religions have equal status. All the religions have equal status. Fill-ups and true-false can be there from the unit itself. So read the lesson thoroughly. Now it's prayer time. Revise it properly. Do the practice of typing the letters. Oh God, please help me in my exams. Help me to face them with courage and peace. Help me to understand all the questions and to express my answers clearly. Guide me in all my decisions. Amen. Once again, oh God, please help me in my exams. Help me to face them with courage and peace. Help me to understand all the questions and to express my answers clearly. Guide me in all my decisions. Amen. Thank you, dear children. Be at home, be safe, wash your hands, and keep distancing.